YouTube has become a popular platform for people to make money online. The video sharing website boasts over 2 billion monthly active users, making it a goldmine for businesses and individuals looking to make money. But what if you don't want to create videos? Is it still possible to make money with YouTube? The answer is a resounding yes. In this video, we'll cover 5 effective ways to make money on YouTube without creating videos. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate marketer and the company they're promoting. The company gets more exposure and sales, while the affiliate marketer earns a commission without having to create or own the product. If you're new to affiliate marketing, you might be wondering how it works. Essentially, you promote a product on your YouTube channel by creating content around it, whether that's a review video, unboxing video, or a tutorial video. You include a unique referral link in the description of the video, which directs viewers to the product's website. If someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. One of the great things about affiliate marketing is that it's flexible. You can choose which products you want to promote, and you don't have to stick with just one. For example, if your YouTube channel is focused on beauty, you can promote skincare products, makeup, hair care products, and more. You can even promote products in different niches if you want to diversify your income streams. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to deal with customer service or product fulfillment. That's the responsibility of the company you're promoting. All you have to do is create content and drive traffic to their website. It's a low-risk way to make money because you're not investing in inventory or production costs. To be successful with affiliate marketing, it's important to choose the right products to promote. You want to select products that align with your brand and that your audience is interested in. You also want to make sure the commission rate is worth your time and effort. Generally, commissions range from 5% to 50%, depending on the product and the company. It's also important to disclose your affiliate relationship with your audience. This means including a disclaimer in your video description or on your YouTube channel that you may earn a commission from the products you promote. Not only is this required by the Federal Trade Commission, but it also builds trust with your audience. You can totally make money on YouTube without making videos by doing affiliate marketing. All you need to do is promote products that you like and get a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a chill way to make some cash, and you can definitely make it work by choosing the right products and planning it out. If you're interested in making some money off of your YouTube channel, you should definitely look into affiliate marketing. Number 2. Licensing. If you're a musician or graphic designer, you might be thinking that creating videos isn't for you. However, there's still a way for you to make money on YouTube without having to create any videos yourself: licensing your work. Licensing refers to the process of allowing others to use your work in exchange for payment. This means that you can create music or graphics and license them to YouTubers who need them for their videos. This can be a great way to make money while doing something you love. There are several websites that allow you to license your work, such as Audio Jungle and Shutterstock. These sites have a large audience of YouTubers who are looking for high-quality music and graphics to use in their videos. By uploading your work to these sites, you can make it available to a large audience and potentially earn a significant amount of money. If you're not interested in using a website, you can also reach out to YouTubers directly and offer your services. You can find YouTubers in your niche by using YouTube's search function or by looking for popular channels in your industry. Once you've identified some potential clients, you can reach out to them and offer to license your work for their videos. When licensing your work, it's important to make sure that you have the proper rights to do so. This means that you need to ensure that you're not infringing on anyone else's copyright or intellectual property. You should also make sure that you have a clear agreement with the YouTuber that outlines the terms of the license, including the payment amount and the duration of the license. If you're successful in licensing your work, you can potentially earn a significant amount of money. The amount you can earn will depend on several factors, including the quality of your work, the demand for it, and the terms of the license. However, if you're able to create high-quality music or graphics, there's no reason why you can't earn a significant amount of money through licensing. So, to sum it up, You can make money on YouTube without making your own videos by licensing your work. You can either use a website or get in touch with YouTubers directly to license your stuff. And it can be a great way to earn cash while doing what you enjoy. If you're a musician or graphic designer, you should definitely think about licensing as a way to make some money with your skills on YouTube. Number 3. Sponsored content. Sponsored content is one of the most lucrative ways to make money on YouTube without creating your own videos. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers who can promote their products to a wider audience, and YouTube is the perfect platform for this purpose. If you have a large following on YouTube, you can offer sponsored content to brands in exchange for payment. Sponsored content is a type of content that is created in collaboration with a brand, where the brand pays you to promote their product or service to your audience. This can take many forms, including product reviews, shoutouts, or even a full-fledged sponsored video. To get started with sponsored content, you need to have a large following on YouTube. Brands are typically looking for influencers with a following of at least 10,000 subscribers. But the more followers you have, the more you can charge for your services. It's also important to have an engaged audience that trusts your opinion and values your recommendations. Once you have a substantial following, you can start reaching out to brands or wait for them to come to you. Many brands have an influencer outreach program, and you can apply to become a part of it. You can also join influencer marketplaces such as Fanebit or Grapevine, which connect brands with influencers. When creating sponsored content, it's essential to be transparent and disclose that the content is sponsored. This is a legal requirement, and failure to disclose sponsored content can result in fines and penalties. It's also important to maintain your authenticity and only work with brands whose products you believe in and would recommend to your audience. The amount you can earn from sponsored content varies depending on your audience size, engagement rate, and the brand you're working with. Typically, influencers charge a flat rate for a sponsored post or video, but you can also negotiate a commission-based deal or a revenue share. Sponsored content is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel without creating your own videos. It allows you to leverage your following and influence to promote products and services that align with your brand and values. However, it's essential to be transparent, maintain authenticity, and only work with brands that you believe in. Sponsored content can be a good way for YouTubers to make money if they do it the right way. Number 4. YouTube channel management. In the world of YouTube, managing a channel can be a challenging task. Not only do you need to create engaging content, but you also need to optimize your channel and videos for search engines and social media. That's why many YouTubers hire channel managers to help them with their daily tasks. A YouTube channel manager is someone who helps YouTubers with the day-to-day running of their channels. They take care of video editing, channel optimization, search engine optimization, SEO, and social media management. They also keep track of analytics and help the YouTuber make data-driven decisions to grow their channel. Video editing. One of the most time-consuming tasks of managing a YouTube channel is video editing. If you're good at video editing, you can offer your services to YouTubers who need it. You can edit videos, add graphics and animations, and make sure the videos are high quality and engaging. Channel optimization. Optimizing a YouTube channel is important to ensure that it ranks well in search engines and attracts new viewers. A channel manager can help optimize the channel's title, description, tags, and thumbnail. They can also organize the channel's playlists and make sure that the channel's branding is consistent. SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing videos to rank well in search engines. A channel manager can help with keyword research, on-page optimization, and off-page optimization. They can also help with link building and outreach to other YouTubers to grow the channel's audience. Social media management. Social media is an important part of promoting a YouTube channel. A channel manager can help with social media management by creating and scheduling posts on different social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. They can also engage with the channel's audience and promote the channel on other platforms. Analytics. Analyzing data is important to make data-driven decisions to grow a YouTube channel. A A channel manager can help track the channel's analytics, such as watch time, views, and engagement. They can also help with A/B testing and make changes to the channel based on the results. Running a YouTube channel can take a lot of time, but it's super important to get more followers and attract new viewers. If you're skilled in things like video editing, optimizing channels, social media management, and SEO, you can provide these services to YouTubers who could use some help. Having a manager handle the everyday stuff means creators can concentrate on making awesome content. Number 5. YouTube ads. YouTube ads are a great way to make money online without having to create any content. The process is simple. You display ads on your website or blog, and every time a visitor clicks on the ad, you earn money. It's a win-win situation for both the advertiser and the website owner. Google AdSense is one of the most popular ad networks for website owners. It allows you to display ads on your site, and every time a visitor clicks on the ad, you earn a commission. The commission you earn varies depending on the type of ad and the niche of your website. Generally, the commission ranges from a few cents to a few dollars per click. To get started with YouTube ads, you first need to sign up for Google AdSense. The process is simple and straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information about your website, such as the niche, traffic, and audience demographics. Once your website is approved, you'll be given a code to place on your website. After you place the code on your website, Google AdSense will start displaying ads on your site. The ads will be relevant to the content on your website, so they'll be more likely to get clicks. You'll earn money for every click, and the amount you earn will depend on the commission rate and the number of clicks. One of the benefits of YouTube ads is that they generate passive income. Once you place the code on your website, you don't have to do anything else. You'll earn money every time someone clicks on the ad, even if you're sleeping or on vacation. Another benefit of YouTube ads is that they can be a great source of additional income for website owners. If you're already making money from your website through other means, such as affiliate marketing or sponsored content, adding YouTube ads to the mix can boost your income even further. However, it's important to note that YouTube ads aren't a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll need to have a decent amount of traffic on your website to make a significant amount of money from ads. It's also important to make sure that the ads don't interfere with the user experience on your site. If the ads are too intrusive or irrelevant, visitors may leave your site, and you may end up losing traffic and income. YouTube ads are a sweet way to make some cash online without having to make any videos. All you have to do is put ads on your website or blog and make money when people click on them. However, make sure the ads don't bug your visitors too much. With a bit of time and work, you can turn YouTube ads into a moneymaker for your website, earning you cash while you chill out. Thanks for watching. You don't have to create videos to make money on YouTube. You can promote products, license your work, offer sponsored content, manage channels, or place ads on your site. There's no excuse not to start making money on YouTube. So give it a try and see what works for you. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.